Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Wilder World or Wild token on Binance Alpha. So Wild just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. So it's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps, and you have to log in first. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top and search Wild. And search it, and you will find Wild on hold on, you will find Wild on Alpha. You can click it, this one. And so this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not good because it's dumb, you can check the details by click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. So the volume is not good because it's under 1 million in 24 hours. So yeah, you can also check their social media, their X and their Telegram. Also, you can check their website. If you want to buy it, you can just simply click chart here in the bottom, and you will find instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to Wild, and also you can put the price here, the limit order. You can put price like this, and you can choose the amount here. And yeah, and also I will give my price prediction. So this is not financial advice, you have to do your own research, but in my opinion, from the total supply, which is very high, I think it will be dumb more and more. So yeah, you have to be careful. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.